Everybody, it's Vishlu out here at another auction yard, checking out a car for tomorrow's auction. 2017 M2 would be nice in my collection, so check it out. Looks like some surface damage, fenders, bonnet, headlight missing, body damage, fender, suspension, door, mirror, rear quarter panel, and airbags bust. That's always a positive. That's cool. Hopefully this product will be too expensive tomorrow. Tail light, very light superficial damage, I would say. Maybe apart from the suspension damage, but yeah, we'll check it out. Definitely some suspension damage on this side as well. So, yeah. Let's go and see these numbers. There it is. Love the shape of car. 17,000 kilometers. That's nice. Good mileage. Let's try to pop the bonnet. Let's try to pop the bonnet, and would be nice if the damaged headlight was somewhere around here. Here we go. S55 motor. Everything looks in order here. Structure there. No structural damage. Possibly suspension, some arms, but in my opinion, a nice candidate for tomorrow's auction. 36. Yep, see you tomorrow. Maybe some damage underneath here, that's why it says fuel pump damage and non-starter. Paneling's out, which means at the assessment yard they definitely saw something that we're not seeing yet. But generally there's always more than the eye, than meets the eye, so yeah.